This is period number 2. Lunchtime is over. Please get back to your classes.
A very good morning to all. Morning assembly is about to start. Students should come to ground in proper discipline and get lined up. Students, pay attention. Morning assembly is about to start. Students should come to ground in proper discipline and get lined up.
अभिनंदन। सुबह की प्रार्थना प्रातःकालीन शुरू होने वाली है, इसलिए सब बच्चे असेंबली ग्राउंड में आकर लाइनें बना लें एवं अनुशासन बनाए रखें।
साथ भी छुड़ाने फिर चक्का जिहाने के
बनाइए वीडियो।
पुणे जज्बात साडे कोई किदा पुणे जज्बात ने तुमको
Sit properly. Yes, take your books and sit on a separate bench. And pin drop silence. I am listening your voice here. Rough copy should be in your hands and go down and learn, do practice of the numericals of physics. All students open numericals of physics and do the revision of the numericals of physics, whatever the test I have given for tomorrow. And no one should now disturb in the class.
Myself Simarjit Kaur, Managing Director of Gurukul School Harike Kala. So we are using the audio broadcasting system provided by the digital schools for the last 6 to 7 months, and I really appreciate the technology which is being provided by digital schools. So we are using this technology for the various purposes in our school. We are using this technology to conduct our morning assembly. Then our bell system means for the switching over of one period from one period to the next period, we are using these bells which are there included in this technology, and the students really feel so energetic when they listen to the melodious voice of the bell. So they get ready for the next period. Then in the morning when the students they are coming from their homes to the school, they enter the school and they listen to the melodious and the peaceful shabads which we play through this system. They feel so happy to come to the school. And now with the help of this technology, we are able to supervise our teachers as well as students from the office, and if there is a need to call them in the office, we can call them from here while sitting in the office. So this is very good technology, and this has eased a lot of our work. So I am really thankful to Mr. Surinder ji and his team for providing us with so latest technology, with the help of which we are able to provide a harmonious environment to our students. Thank you so much.